Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see the uses of WD-40 spray and how you can save thousands of dollars by using this little spray. What is WD-40 spray? WD-40 is a multi-purpose lubricant, cleaner, and moisture displacer designed for various applications, including automotive, household, and industrial use. It is widely known for its ability to lubricate, protect, clean, and remove moisture from metal surfaces. WD-40 name meaning. WD stands for water displacement. 40 represents the 40th formula developed by the chemists who created it in 1953. Key features of WD-40. Lubricates moving parts, reduces friction and wear on hinges, locks, and mechanical components, removes grease, grime, and dirt, works as a cleaner for metal and plastic surfaces, loosens stuck parts, helps free rusted or jammed bolts, screws, and mechanical components. Let's talk about some common uses of WD-40. First up, automotive uses. It's great for engine cleaning as it removes grease, dirt, and oil buildup. It also prevents rust by protecting metal parts from corrosion. If you've got wet ignition components, WD-40 helps with moisture removal to start the engine. Got rusty bolts? WD-40 can loosen them right up. And for battery terminal protection, it prevents corrosion buildup. Now, for household uses. It fixes squeaky doors and hinges, cleans stainless steel and metal surfaces, removes adhesive residues and sticker glue, and even protects garden tools from rust. In industrial settings, WD-40 maintains machinery and tools, prevents corrosion in metal components, and lubricates moving parts in mechanical systems. Moving on to the different types of WD-40 products. WD-40 offers multiple specialized versions. There's the WD-40 multi-use spray, which is the classic all-purpose formula. Then there's the WD-40 Specialist Penetrant, designed specifically for loosening rusted and stuck parts. Now let's dive into a comprehensive guide to using WD-40 on a car engine. WD-40 is a versatile lubricant, cleaner, and moisture displacer that can be used in multiple ways to maintain a car engine. Below is a detailed guide on its uses, benefits, step-by-step cleaning process, and precautions to ensure the best results. First, how to use WD-40 to clean a car engine. Preparation before cleaning is crucial. Turn off the engine and let it cool completely to prevent burns or damage. Cover sensitive components such as battery terminals, alternator, air intake and filters, and electronic control units. Wear gloves and safety glasses for protection from grease and chemical exposure. Use plastic bags or aluminum foil to cover delicate electrical parts. When applying WD-40 for engine cleaning, shake the can before use. Spray WD-40 on greasy, oily, or dirty parts of the engine, including engine block surfaces, valve cover, hoses, avoid rubber belts, and metal brackets and mounts. Let the spray sit for 5 to 10 minutes to break down grime and oil. Use a soft brush or microfiber cloth to scrub away dirt. For stubborn grease stains, reapply WD-40 and scrub again. For wiping and rinsing, which is optional, use a dry microfiber cloth to wipe away dirt and excess WD-40. If needed, use a damp cloth to clean remaining residue, but avoid using excessive water. Remove plastic covers from sensitive parts before starting the engine. Start the engine and let it run for 5 to 10 minutes to evaporate any remaining moisture. Additional uses of WD-40 in car engine maintenance include removing moisture and helping the engine start. WD-40 is a moisture displacer, so it can help with starting issues in humid or wet conditions. If the engine won't start due to dampness, spray WD-40 on spark plug wires, ignition coil connectors, and distributor cap for older vehicles. Let it sit for a few minutes before trying to start the engine. Preventing rust and corrosion is another benefit. Metal parts in the engine bay are prone to rust over time. Spray WD-40 on exposed metal surfaces such as nuts and bolts, battery terminals, and engine brackets and mounts. This creates a protective barrier against moisture and corrosion. Loosening stuck or rusty bolts and nuts can be a hassle, but WD-40 makes it easier. Over time, heat, dirt, and moisture can cause bolts and nuts to seize. Spray WD-40 on the affected area and wait 10 to 15 minutes before loosening. It works well for exhaust manifold bolts, suspension components, and engine mounts. WD-40 also helps in removing grease, tar, and sticky residue. It dissolves tar, gum, and sticky residue found in engine bays. Simply spray, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe clean. Cleaning and protecting battery terminals is another use. Corroded battery terminals can cause starting issues. Spray WD-40 directly on the battery terminals, let it sit for a few minutes, and scrub with a wire brush. This prevents future corrosion and improves electrical conductivity. Finally, lubricating engine bay components. WD-40 can lubricate metal-to-metal contact points like hood hinges, latches, and throttle linkages. However, do not spray on rubber belts or pulleys, as it can cause slipping. Some precautions and safety tips when using WD-40 on car engines include avoiding spraying on rubber belts, like serpentine belts and timing belts, as it can cause slippage and degradation. Do not overuse on electrical components, as excessive WD-40 can attract dust and grime. Use in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes. Never use WD-40 as an engine lubricant. It is a cleaner and moisture displacer, not a substitute for engine oil. Wipe excess WD-40 after application to prevent dirt buildup. Now let's address some frequently asked questions, or FAQs. Can WD-40 damage my car engine? No. When used properly, WD-40 is safe for most engine components. However, avoid excessive spraying on electrical parts and rubber belts. Can I use WD-40 to clean my engine regularly? Yes, but it's recommended to clean your engine every 3 to 6 months to prevent grime buildup. Can WD-40 help if my engine gets wet and won't start? Yes. It removes moisture from spark plugs, ignition coils, and other electrical parts to help the engine start. Can WD-40 be used on plastic engine covers? Yes, WD-40 can clean and protect plastic engine covers, but avoid using it on clear plastic surfaces like headlights.